Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuits on a campfire. First, gather your dry ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, cut in 4 tablespoons of cold butter or shortening until crumbly. This creates the perfect base for fluffy biscuits, even outdoors. Have your Dutch oven ready for the next step. Now, gently add 3/4 cup of milk to your dry mixture, stirring just until combined. Avoid overmixing to keep the biscuits tender. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 30 seconds. Then, pat it to about 1 inch thick and cut out your biscuits. You can use a round cutter or simply cut them into squares. Carefully place your shaped biscuits into a greased Dutch oven, ensuring they have about 1 inch of space between them. Position the Dutch oven directly on a bed of hot campfire coals. Then, place a generous amount of hot coals on top of the lid. This creates an oven-like environment, baking your biscuits evenly from both top and bottom. After about 15 to 20 minutes, your biscuits should be beautifully golden brown. Carefully remove the Dutch oven from the coals. You can check for doneness by inserting a fork into the center of a biscuit. It should come out clean. Let them cool slightly, then serve these delicious campfire biscuits warm. They're perfect with any meal or just a bit of jam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.